We're at Captree and they're doing renovation. Can't even park in there.
We're going to explore there.
Yeah, we're trying to find a way in. I don't know if we can get there.
Without the boat.
Huh?
Without the boat or literally flying.
I don't know.
Without the boat or literally flying with a piece of with a platform with
Yeah. We're gonna sneak our way in. Well, none of the boats are sailing until April 22nd. I think they're getting ready right now, but they won't sail. Like, even the bait shop is not open yet. Yeah? How are we gonna get this over the pipe? Huh? Can we get it over the pipe? We can lift it over. We can lift it over. Oh, you can take a picture there. Go behind it. Stick your head through. Let me see. Take your mask off. We're gonna see your face. Hold on. Let me take a picture. Alright, got my way through. Brandon, come this way. It's easier this way. Yeah. Put your stick in the car. Oh, and I help you push. There we go. Nothing can stop us. Nothing. Just watch out for your stick. I'm hopeful we get some lady crunch today. Very helpful. No, other way. Other way. Go. Other way.
There?
Yeah, go. Yeah, no, the top. Use that brain of yours. Push the button. Hard. Be a man. There we go. Wiggle it. You gotta try. Let's go. Let me start you off. Yeah, there's nobody here except us. I hope the park rangers don't come and be like, hey, you two, get lost. But it shouldn't be though. It's not like it's closed. You know? It's not like it's closed. Go. Oh, we want to go all the way to end our favorite spot. I should board a fishing rod. I feel like there's striped bass in the water. What do you think, Brandon? Yeah, there's a bunch of fish flopping in the water right there. I could be wrong. What the hell? There's a huge amount of fish flopping in the water there. Maybe it's waves, but I think it's fish. I don't know. I think it's fish. It's great. Can't be fish. I think it's just waves. See, now you're not cold anymore, right? What we got here, boys? So the water's going this way. I gotta put the nets on that side. You need help? I think that's Ryan. Hey Ryan. We saw the stuff out there. We thought about going home. But like maybe we'll just look around.
I just gotta help the spider crab some more.
Oh, okay. No, I thought they closed it.
Yeah.
But it's good they didn't.
Yeah, big spider crab. Good for him to dominate.
That's your mom? Hello. How you doing? Oh, you see that? Ryan got a lady crab. We're gonna have a challenge today. Who's gonna get the biggest lady crab? Keep that one. Alright, you keeping it, right? Keep it. Definitely keep it, man.
Is it waterproof on the
Super
back?
gloves, yeah.
Is it waterproof in the back?
Yeah, pretty good. Wow, waterproof fish. It's better than the other ones.
Yes.
This is high performance gloves for crabbing and fishing and boating.
And cursing.
Yeah. Let's show him how to get the lady crab, okay? It's still a little bit big, but you're growing too. Come on. Let's go. Go, this one. Let's see what's in this one. Go, come on. Let's see if you can pull it up yet. He has his high performance gloves.
Come on.
You see it? Look, he has his high performance gloves. Don't. Oh! The hell?
What is that?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought.
No, I want to put more chicken in. Okay, the challenge is on. He has a big. Go watch it, lady crab. Yeah, this time. Brandon. Big? Small enough to eat. No, small enough to eat. Right? Small enough to eat. It's not that bad. Look at that.
Randy, you want to try the spider crab?
It's good. It's not that small.
Yeah. I mean, you can keep it if you want.
No, you guys keep it. We'll get all. No, we'll get all.
We're only keeping the big ones.
Oh.
So.
Wait, did somebody lose that? I think that's a giant trap. Buoy. I think if I can take it, there's a giant trap down there. Right? It's wrapped around. No, leave it. I just put it down.
Oh, two of them. Nice.
Sorry, yeah.
Two for one.
No, if there's more people here, there's more stuff on the floor, and then they
Nice
start
size
coming.
one.
It's like fish chum, right? If more people are putting bait down, they'll attract all the crabs. Look, I got two of them.
Let go. Oh, wait, there's not eggs.
Oh, fall back now.
Yeah,
I don't want that.
don't have eggs.
Oh, they got eggs? Oh.
They both have eggs.
All the females are coming here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, at least it's gonna be babies soon.
Yeah. No, it's good.
Let go. Let go.
Cause this one has eggs. That beautiful. This is a young lady crab, but she has eggs, and you can't keep these.
I guess the small ones also.
No, they're mature.
That one you got two.
Yeah, I know, but they get mature and then they get have eggs. Oh, you got a big one, right? Huh? Oh, let me just take a picture of it before you fall back. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's good. So that's the difference. Like the blue crab and these, they have flippers on the back. You know, the rock crabs don't have that. They don't have the tail flippers on the back.
Yeah, that's how we.
So that's how you tell the different species. Thanks.
Alex,
Hey.
please. Move to it. Flip them over.
Come on, no eggs.
Move it to it.
Not as big as yours. Oh,
Yay!
nice.
Wait. Yo, let's go. You got one.
Whew.
You're tied now.
No eggs. You got one. I know, right? Oh, you get it? Oh, Brandon, stop playing with it too much. Just fall back. Don't scare him. I want him to eat it. Just stay here. Oh, yeah. Come on, bird. Get him. Yes. Get him. Nobody's gonna attack you. Yeah. Go. Oh, look. Oh, good job. Good job. Good job. Oh my God. Look at that. The ferocity. The animal He's like, it don't taste good. I don't like spider crabs. I want lady crabs. Big male. Yes. Yeah. I think we have to. Do you want to compare, or you think yours is bigger?
Yeah, now that I see, I think it's bigger.
You don't want to compare it to make sure? And get on my chicken. Get on my damn chicken. You're becoming dinner. Now get on my chicken. Yep. Get on my chicken.
He's like, I want dinner.
Right. The prize winning crab. Whoa!
That one has eggs.
That's a rock crab.
No, that's a lady crab.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you seriously got this from
No, my son is good luck.
That one's eggs.
Brandon's always good luck.
No, that's a good size
eggs.
one.
Yeah, keep that one. That's nice.
We got to keep it.
You're good luck. Good job. Give me 5. Give me 5.
You cut that off.
Give me 5.
Why can't you cut that off?
No, you can't. Whoop. Good job. You're always so lucky. How?
I'm the one who put the crab, right?
Yeah, but he has to touch it with his lucky fingers. He's always lucky. He caught the fish. He caught all kinds. Let's try the other one. No, that one, Ren. Here, show him how it's done.
One strap.
No, don't do it like that. Smooth. We need it smooth.
Yes.
We need it smooth.
Hey, that's better.
Nah. Wow, that's big.
Yeah, we got a baby and a. We got a baby.
Oh. Yep. There we go.
That's all are you catching today?
Only these. No blue crab yet. Yeah. Maybe next month blue crab. Huh?
No Dungeness also?
No, Dun is not in these waters. Oh my god.
Oh,
look at that.
Again. But look at it.
Oh my god.
That's disgusting.
That's not. This is actually pretty clean compared to the other one.
I will not even hold it.
No, you can eat these.
Yeah, I know.
They have eggs. They have eggs on the membrane here. But you just fry it or barbecue it.
I think its blood is purple.
Yeah, no, but they have eggs over here. Inside, thousands of little eggs, and you make like mango salad with the eggs. After you fry it up.
It's like the crab egg yolk.
Yeah, you fry the whole thing. And then you cut the membrane here with a knife. All the eggs are here, thousands of them. Oh, they use the... Oh. What do you think, Brandon? You think his is bigger or ours bigger?
Ours.
I think ours weighs more because you're missing a claw. Okay. The combination of Squid and Brandon.
Wait, that has eggs.
Wow.
This one has eggs.
Okay, if it has eggs, you can go back.
We respect female, but they don't respect us. Respect the female?
Nice. Ah, this one came fast. They wanted the squid and chicken. There's too much meat in here for them not to go, you know? This one has eggs, female with eggs, nice. Just like the gigantic spider crab. What? Look. How big is that? Huh? That's so big. Okay. Lady crab. Let's see if she has eggs or not. Pretty good size, but no eggs. There's another one. Nice. It's a tough day. They're starting to come, but not here yet. Hey, Brandon, look. Look. So nice. Pretty big size. Nice. Okay. You're stuck here, buddy, with a big claw. Wow. It's a nice strong male. Nice. Strong. Ooh, one-handed. Nice strong male, nice strong Kenshiro. Okay. Oh, you want some of this? You want some of this? Nice big strong male. Okay, never a bad crabbing day. This little guy clamping onto two. It's a female too. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we get 10. Shit. Another big male. Look, Brandon. Oh, even a bigger one. Open up. This is even a bigger one.
Open up that bird.
Yeah. Open up. Open up. Oh, open up. I'm gonna use his claws to open up this claw. Come on. Oh, this one's even bigger than another one. Another big, large male. Here, clamp yourself. There's our goal. Woo! He's big, right? Never a bad crab day. Enough for dinner. I think this is a rock crab. Oh shit. I got a rock crab. Brandon. It's a rock crab. At least I hope there's a rock crab. It is a Jonah crab I've been told. Should be a rock crab. This one is small, so it's falls. That's cool. Last 2 tops of the day, 5:30. Leave home early. There's not a lot, but see, ooh, this is a nice one. Nice fat female. Look, another one. Look. Excuse. Oh, there you go. Yep. We got plenty. You guys are fighting it out. Yeah, that's enough for dinner. Last one. They're here. Next week I expect to get a lot more. Next week I should be able to get like 20, 30. I could be wrong, could be a lot more. Because once they come, they really come, you know? They don't play around once they start coming. Now just clean up time. It was fun. Good for about 4 hours. Most people got nothing, but you gotta have patience. You can't have a bad crab day. This is enough to feed my parents, me, my son, so it's good. Let's get cleaned up, get home. An hour and a half drive maybe if it's a little bit of traffic. It's like 5:45, almost 6 I guess. We kind of had a short day. I think we have 15 lady crabs and we caught 1 rock crab. So that's enough. Get home for dinner, get my dad, he's a retired chef, to cook it. Crabs is his favorite, so he's gonna be happy. Gonna have some fresh lady crab stir fry. Oh yeah. Lady crabs are cool. They're very clean. You know? They keep themselves very clean. They're gonna taste good with that ginger, garlic, and scallion stir fry. I'm gonna eat myself a lot of crabs. Tomorrow, hoping I'm gonna go out to find some fish. I really want to go and find like some Jonah crabs, but I think they're in the north of the sound somewhere. I might try when the weather's a little bit better. I'll go around and have some holiday time. I will find the elusive Jonah crab. I don't want to have to go to Laurel Island. I'll go to like Boston, because I know they're up there in the colder water. Can you imagine you could find Jonah crabs in New York City or New York water somewhere? It would be like the ultimate discovery, and that's gonna be my goal for this year and next year. Maybe it's only up here in winter time too. I'm gonna look forward to that. I need to buy the right kind of fishing clothing to keep warm if I go after them in the winter time this coming winter. But let's have fun the summertime first. So we're going home from Captree. Today is April 8th. So they're not open yet. For some reason, open April 22nd. You come in for free. They're not taking money right now. The boats are all docked. They're cleaning up and they're getting ready for fishing. A new moon chaser. So they're blocking a lot of stuff. This ramp is nice. Don't run. Very dangerous. You're gonna crash yourself. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, very good time. Huh? Okay, good job. As you can see, all the boats, everything's closed. The bait shop says grand open. They'll reopen April 22nd, so not 2 more weeks from now. But the lady crabs are out. We enjoy eating lady crab fresh and clean. I saw only maybe 10 people come today in the past 5 hours from 1 till 5:30. So you have to hop over this lead pipe. Let's see if my son can get through. How are you gonna get through, Brennan? Need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, you close this one first. And then you lift it together. Come on, you can do it. Whoa! 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 Oh yeah! Push it. There we go. Yeah, good job. Good. Yeah, there we go. Whoa! Okay. You did it, bro. Yeah, nice. Nice. Very good. There you go. That's your reward. A cooler of crabs. That's the Angle 30 quad cooler. It's 150 bucks. You think the water works? Oh, the water works. Come here. Let me wash your feet. Come here. You need to go to the bathroom? Yep, time to visit the bathroom. See you guys later. Alright, put in another crab boil. Got the lady crabs home. Got sausages, potatoes, a lemon. Got onions in there. Got a lot of potatoes. My son loves potatoes. Lots and lots of potatoes. We bring it to a boil for about, let it boil for like 20 minutes, and then we'll toss in the crabs for like 3 minutes and let it sit for another 15. And look at that. All the fixings. Alright. So we're boiling for like 20 minutes. Everything's ready. Oh, ready. The rock crabs are so clean. You don't even have to clean them. You just pick them out, rinse them with water for like 5 seconds. There's that. In they go.
But your salt water still.
See? Let's go. Doesn't matter. I'm not drinking the soup now. Ooh, look at that. There we go. Put them all in there. Well, hold on. Oh, yes. Get them in there so they just die right away. Less suffering. Less suffering. These are all alive. I kept them all alive. Like the last 5-6 hours. Ooh, boy. Go.
You're the first crabber man I've seen.
Bring it back to a boil. Bring it back to a boil for 3 minutes. And then shut it off and let it stand for like 10-15 minutes. Let it absorb the stuff and then you drain it. Alright, everything is done. Got the crabs out here. We got the potatoes, corn, and sausage. Gonna enjoy watching some sports. And wish everybody good luck catching crabs next weekend at Captree State Park. They're out there. Next week there should be a lot more. You should be able to do a lot better than me.